powerful earthquake struck off the coast of Russia, triggering tsunami warnings across the Pacific. Imagine the sheer force of nature shaking the ground beneath your feet. Japan, Alaska, and Hawaii were all on high alert, showcasing the interconnectedness of our planet. Tsunamis can travel at incredible speeds, and just a few feet of water can cause devastating destruction. It's a stark reminder of how vulnerable coastal communities are to these natural disasters. Scientists are constantly monitoring seismic activity, but the unpredictability of these events keeps everyone on edge. Nature is both beautiful and terrifying, reminding us to respect its power.